Good morning, sixth graders. It is Tuesday, September 8th. I hope you had a nice holiday weekend. Today in class, we're going to be sharing one thing over the weekend. We're going to be going to our vocabulary journals and putting the 6 words in our vocabulary journals. We're going to be reading and listening to the story The Treasure of Lemon Brown and completing the 5 questions afterwards. And you need to be reading 20 minutes today and giving me the title of your book for your book project and which project you would like to do. So again, the vocabulary is going to be done in the vocabulary notebook, and the vocabulary notebook, this can be anything. You're going to open it up, put today's date, 9/8. The setup will be like this right here. You put the word, the part of speech, the definition, the synonym, the antonym, and a sentence. The Treasure of Lemon Brown would be the title of the story we're doing. The first word is commence. They kind of give you that it's a verb in there, so you already know that. You can use your ConnectEd as a source because you already have the definitions. To start or begin, you do have to come up with a synonym and an antonym, which there is a thesaurus link right off of dictionary.com. And then you're going to write a sentence. For example, the graduation ceremony commenced on the football field after the storm passed. This should be a different sentence than the one in your ConnectEd, and you highlight the word. Then you go to the second word, adjective. You're going to write the definition, an antonym, a synonym, and then a sentence. So you do the 6 words from the story, and then we're going to be reading the story, so the words should be fresh in your mind. And you go into ConnectEd for the story, and then here's where you'll find your vocabulary words from before, where you can get the definitions again and all of that. So then you can read the story. I would like you to listen to it because I think the reader on this one does an awesome job, and not all of them do. And so I would listen to it for the first time.
Whirling cloud reflected Greg Ridley's mood as he sat on the stoop of his building.
I just think that this reader does an excellent job with the story, and this is our first read, so I would like you to listen to it for the first read, and then you are to answer the Treasure of Lemon Brown questions, and this is what you should be looking for before you read. After completing the first read of Lemon Brown, answering the following questions, complete your sentences in blue. In 2 or more sentences, describe the relationship between Lemon Brown and Greg. What is Lemon Brown's treasure, and why is it important to him? How do you think Lemon Brown's brief encounter with Greg helped Greg with his troubled relationship with his father? Why did Greg smile at the end of the story, knowing he would get a lecture from his father? How has Greg's relationship with Lemon Brown helped shape part of Greg's identity? How is this experience going to go with him going forward in his life? So those are the 5 questions that you need to answer when you've completed the story, and then you do your 20 minutes of reading, and you are done for today. So have a wonderful day, and remember the class times are shorter now, so we only have 60 minutes instead of 80 minutes. I will talk to you later. If you have any questions, please email me.